Hello everyone! Welcome back to Tsveti and the Robot Friends. Today is a very exciting day because I finally have a brand new vacuum cleaner to unbox and test, the Philips 7000 series. I have been looking forward to this for some quite time and I can't wait to see if it rises up to my expectation. Of course, I won't be doing this unboxing alone. Imojo, Imutai are here to supervise everything. Well, at least they think they're supervising. I have a feeling they're more interested in playing with the box and helping me. Let's open it. The first thing I notice is that Philips has packed everything very neatly. Every accessory has its own place, making it easy to see exactly what comes inside the box. Besides the vacuum cleaner itself, there are several useful accessories designed for different cleaning situations, whether it's a forks, furniture, corners, or hand-to-reach places. There is an attachment for almost everything. One thing I immediately like is the design. It looks modern, elegant and lightweight. Since this is a cordless vacuum cleaner, there are no cables following me around the house, which already makes cleaning feel much easier. Now, let's assemble it. Fortunately, everything clicks together very easily. The battery slides into place, the tub connects securely, and the cleaning head works in just a few seconds. It doesn't require any tools, which is always a big advantage. I also really like how comfortable the handle itself feels. It's easy to hold and the vacuum cleaner doesn't feel too heavy. Now, let's talk about some of its features. The Philips 7000 series is designed to provide powerful cordless cleaning while remaining lightweight and easy to use. It includes several attachments so you clean very different surfaces around your home, from floors to furniture and narrow spaces. One feature I especially liked is the LED lighting on the cleaning nozzle. The light helps reveal tiny pieces of dust that are often difficult to notice, especially under furniture or in darker areas. It's surprising how much dust you can suddenly see once the LEDs are turned on. Another useful feature is the anti-allergy filtration system. It captures every fine dust, particles and allergies inside the vacuum, helping to keep the air cleaner and while vacuum. That's a great bonus, especially if you have allergies or pets. The battery life is also impressive. Depending on the power mode you're using, it can clean for a long time on a single charge, making it suitable for even larger homes. Now, enough talking. It's time to see how well it actually cleans. The vacuum cleaner starts very smoothly and the suction powers immediately feels strong. As I move it across the floor, it slides easily and I can already see how much dust it picks up. It feels satisfying to use because it doesn't require much effort and the cordless design makes moving around the room very convenient. Now I have the perfect place to test it properly. My robot mansion. If you have been following me in my channel for a while, you already know that this is where Imojo, Imutai, Ortomi One, Ortomi Two, Ortomi Umi Uno and Ortomi Umi does spend most of their time. Even though the robots are very cute, they somehow manage to collect quite a bit of dust around their home. so today their machine is getting a proper cleaning. As I vacuum around the different zones, I notice how easy the cleaner reaches into corners around the walls. Cleaning the small decorations is also much easier than I expected. I think the robot manager has never looked this clean before. Imojo is watching everything very carefully. I have a feeling he's making sure I don't accidentally vacuum him instead. Don't worry, Imojo. Today we are only cleaning the floor. And now, something unexpected happened. As soon as the vacuum cleaner finished its jobs, Imojo and Motai students started dancing. Maybe they were celebrating their freshly cleaned home, or maybe they simply liked the sound of a vacuum cleaner. Either way, it made me laugh. I definitely wasn't expecting a robot dance party after cleaning. Overall, I'm very happy with the Philips 7000 series vacuum cleaner. It feels powerful, lightweight, easy to use, and the cordless design makes cleaning much more enjoyable. The different accessories, LED nozzle, and the strong suction power make it a great choice for everyday cleaning around the house. And I think my robots approve too, although I'm still not sure whether they enjoy the cleaning or just the dancing afterwards. If you enjoyed the unboxing and the review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what is your favorite cleaning gadget at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video with Imojo, Imotai, Ortomi One, Ortomi Two, Ortomi Umi Uno, Ortomi Umi Dos. Goodbye and see you soon!